ko kayong mag-brew ng coffee using the mini percolator that I just gave you. But first, let's talk about the components needed to brew. Kailangan po natin ng coffee beans, kailangan natin ng grinder. I don't grind coffee and store it. I grind coffee kung ano yung gagamitin ko for the day. Andito yung coffee filter, andito yung glass container, ito ang heating element at control, and lastly, yung takip natin which holds the pressure. Makita nyo may gasket na makikita kayo dito that will hold the pressure during the percolating. Okay, let's talk about the settings. Let me zoom in. At first, mukhang mahirap yung settings pero dalawa lang naman ang settings nito. First is the keep warm. Tingnan natin keep warm. Ayan, keep warm. Keep warm will just maintain the configured temperature. And the rest of the modes, water, flower, fruit tea, dessert, black tea, green tea, and milk. Pag pinili natin yung modes na yon, ang gagawin ng percolator is to reach the boiling point of the water, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Pag na-hit niya na yung 100 degrees Celsius, pupunta na siya sa keep warm temperature ng bawat mode na pinili natin. So for example, water, ang keep warm temperature niya is 60 degrees. So pag naka-water tayo, i-hit niya muna yung 100, then ang i-maintain niya is 60. First would be, kung kayo lang mag-isa sa bahay, kalahati lang ang titimplahin ninyo. And kung meron tayong bisita, pwede naman dito. Pero hindi natin i-configure or we will not fill the container up to the max. So kung gusto natin punuin, about 2 centimeters below the max level. And I will show you now how to brew coffee half of the container and then full container, which is, I have said, 2 centimeters below the max level. Unfortunately, hindi po tayo pwede mag-brew ng diretso ng full container kasi yung ating filter basket could only contain coffee that is good for half container. Well, pwede kayo mag-full container pero matabang yung coffee natin. Sige po, tayo ay maggiling ng kape. Kita natin. Yan. Ang paggiling pala ng kape, hindi tayo fine kasi we're using percolator. Around 10 seconds lang po ang paggiling. Or in this case, 5 seconds lang, okay na yan. Okay. Okay, let us extract the ground coffee. As you can see, coarse yung coffee na gagamitin natin. Not fine. Kasi po pag fine, may chance na mag-escape yung coffee during percolation kapag lumalabas yung tubig dito sa filter natin. So let me use. Merong natira pang buo, so hindi enough yung pagka-grind ko pero gusto ko talagang coarse ang giling ng kape. So I'll just remove the ungrounded beans. Isa lang naman. So touchin nyo na lang kung anong meron kayong coffee grinder or grinder. In my case, about 5 to 7 seconds lang. So as you can see, nakita niyo yung spring. Zoom in natin. Hindi natin pinupuno. Nag-leave tayo ng mga around 3/4 inches dun sa itong gitnang part na to. Kung ano man ito, hindi natin pinupuno. Yan, hanggang dito lang, about 3/4 inch. And we will now start percolating half of the half full container. So ilalagay lang to sa gitna. And then pakita natin. Yan. Okay. This has a spring mechanism. So pag tinakpan natin ito, ipupush ng cover, ng lid, yung filter basket para magkaroon ng locking mechanism yung coffee and the lid para hindi tumapon yung ground coffee natin sa container, outer container. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Mapupush yan. Yan. So, nakalock na yung filter basket and the lid. Okay, tapos na magkulo ang ating percolator at half full pitcher. Kanina, tuloy-tuloy yung kulo niya at 100. Nakita ko kanina na sapat na yung brewing niya from the filter, so I canceled the function and chose the keep warm at 60 degrees. So nakikita nyo bumababa na yung temperature, i-maintain niya sa 60. Kung gusto kong i-maintain sa 70 degrees, yun ang magiging function niya. And if you think that you would only consume this amount of coffee for a day or two, mauubos mo siya within today or tomorrow, okay na po yan. Pero kung sa tingin niyo ay marami pang iinom ng kape or maubos ng isang pitcher, then we will top up the brewing process by adding water. But first, let me open this cup. As you can see, yung splatter niya hindi gasinong lumabas sa outer area ng lid. It means na konti lang yung or minimal lang yung lumabas na ground coffee natin. And it matters na coarse yung ground coffee natin kasi kung fine, madaling lalabas ang coffee on outside the external part of the lid as far as my experience is concerned. So, dispose na natin to. Get a clean rag. Yan, dispose natin to. Nag-wash down lang tayo ng filter. Let me show you. We're just gonna fill the water not to the max level but around 2 cm before the max level. Actually 1 inch okay na yan. Then we will put another batch of coffee. Yan. Ayun, may nakita tayong hindi nagiling. Again, giniling ko ito ng around 6 to 7 seconds. Yan, okay na. Balik natin. And same as we did earlier, we will choose any function here. Ito natin. Kanina pinili natin yung dessert. Pwede namang pare-pares lang naman yan. Lahat ng function except for the keep warm will try to hit initially 100 degrees Celsius. So let's wait. Yan, ilagay natin yung black tea. Kahit mapa-black tea man yan or milk, i-hit nyo muna yung 100 degrees. Okay, kung makikita nyo, 94 degrees, 95. Pero maganda na yung percolation niya. May tumatapon sa outside the filter perimeter. Pero since hindi fine yung grind natin, mababa yung chance na may lumabas na ground coffee dyan. And make sure na yung lid natin ay nakasara. Kasi yung pressure, nag-expand yung gases sa loob at saka yung volume sa loob. May tendency na umangat yung ating gasket, yung ating cover lid dito. So, from time to time, check natin. Ayan. So, after mag-percolate, we can leave the ground coffee inside. Even if kalahati lang yung ibubrew natin, pwede namang iwan natin yung ground coffee. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-ikot niya. Ang effect lang nito, pag iniwan natin ng matagal, like, for example, kinabukasan na natin tatanggalin or hindi natin tatanggalin at all yung ground coffee at tuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-percolate niya. Ang magiging effect po ay iitim ng bahagya yung ating coffee and maglalasa ng konting pait. If you ask me, yung pait para sa akin acceptable, pero sa iba siguro kung ayaw ng medyo mapait na coffee, then after mag-brew natin ng half or full, maybe let's wait or keep it warm for 2 hours. After 2 hours, tanggalin na natin yung filter basket. Ayan, 100 na tayo. We can leave it as it is. Pero papakita ko mamaya yung loob. Pero hindi na pala, wag na. Actually, pwede na tong inumin. So, ikot ko lang to. Ayan, kuha tayo ng baso. So let me choose the keep warm. If you ask me, 95 degrees, keep warm coffee, too hot. Ako, pag nag-keep warm ako, nasa around 70 to 80 degrees. Siguro high side na 80 degrees, mainit yung kape. Bihira po ako mag-asukal sa kape, but kung hindi ako nag-asukal sa kape, ang aking ginagawang creamer ay Bear Brand. Bear Brand. Okay, try na natin. May filter po yan sa loob, so meron tayong second line of defense kung meron mang nag-spill over na ground coffee sa container, glass container or glass pitcher. Thank you for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo kung paano mag-brew, paano gumamit ng percolator. Noong una nahirapan din ako, may mga trials and error, but hopefully may natutunan kayo sa pag-percolate. So happy brewing and happy coffee drinking sa mga tao na nasa Daet, Aliaga Optical, kay Ate Nengneng, kay Ate Goldie, Ate Marian, kay Joyce, kay Jacob, Mami, sa mga tao sa Bulo, Kuya Jojo, Ate Blessy, Father Omar, Happy brewing. And then, sa mga tao din na nasa Pampanga, Kuya Epoy and Kuya Noel. So po, thank you for watching. God bless. Sarap.